Okay, I'm here in my backyard again. We shot our building the patio video here. That bird is really loud. My next project out here is going to be trying to get this path finished. As you can see, I started this last year, digging the space out where I want the pavers to go. I just got a little bit more work to do on digging it out. I was going to use these blocks here for the pavers, but the pavers we're going to get are these, but it's not going to be all different sizes like the patio is here. It's going to be this one, I believe. This is 18 by 18, so we're just going to do one single row of those all the way down to the end, and a little bit up this way too. So I'm going to go to the store and see if they got those. Last time I went, they had them, so that's why we chose this one, because that's the one they had. Otherwise, I probably would have went for this bigger one. But I think you have to special order those. Over here I wrote down the, oops, lost my pencil down there. Anyway, I wrote down the length of the path, 335 inches, which is going to be 18.6 18-inch by 18-inch blocks, and the shorter side is going to be 5.4 blocks. So I'm probably going to either have to figure out how to cut the stone, which I think I can do, or be short, maybe over on this. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'll probably just cut them because that sounds easier. So I'm gonna finish digging that out, and then I'll go to the store and get the pavers. Okay, so we went out and got some pavers over here. There's also some there. Oh my god! Ow. I don't know what happened, but it hurt. We also got sand. Sand. We think that's enough for the area. We also got some more pavers over here. Fire! Oh! So instead of gravel, I decided we're gonna get these black things. And that's a paver base that you can use, I guess, instead of gravel. So we're gonna try that out.
Look at these guys. Look how yellow they are.
These guys are yellow. Now, according to that, we put the sand down first, and then we put these down.
And then you put stones on top of this?
Yeah. It seems weird, doesn't it? Yeah. That's what it says, though. You want to look at it.
Yeah, that's what it says.
Okay, we'll put some sand down. Okay, we laid the sand out. We put these black things down. John's just moving out the sand a little bit here. We're gonna have to cut one of these black things so it fits in this little space here. Okay. That looks pretty good. I'll just lay the pavers down. trying to figure out what to do with this sort of odd end here.
If we put a little gap, it'll make up for this difference.
We can try to do that.
You just have to put more of that standing stuff between the stones.
Yeah.
I'll try that out before we start cutting stones.
Okay. We put a little bit of a space in between each stone and it seems to have lined up a little better. There's a little bit of a gap here and on the end.
Which is nice. It's symmetry, you know?
Yeah.
Some people lay their stones like this on purpose, you know?
Yeah. It's not really a big gap.
Yeah. Look at this one. What the hell?
And then there. Alright. So that's that. We just gotta put the, I forget what it's called. Paver set. That's what it is. Paver set sand. Fill in the gaps.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I can't tell. Oh yeah. Okay, we got this stupid sand now. So you'll take one bucket and go down there and start pouring, and I'll start pouring over here.
Just pour it on right on top?
Yeah.
And Matthew gets the hose.
I don't watch my phone like some nanny state crybaby.
Nana state. It's a Nana state. Ooh la la, Nana. I think you got plenty of hose there, friend. We're just going around the corner. So we gotta spray that, what's it called?
Water?
No, the stuff in the sand.
Paver set.
What?
Paver set.
We gotta spray the paper set into the. So that's what Matt's doing.
I want to do a ton of it.
He doesn't want to do a ton of it because he's lazy. Are you done?
Yeah.
Done? So we did the sidewalk over there. This is the first of our spring transformations of Matt's backyard. This is not a designer piece. This is a tree Matt ripped out of the ground with his bare hands. Gorilla Man. And their plans are, and I'm telling you what their plans are. So they have this fire pit which we use for making our maple. They're gonna get rid of it altogether. And they're gonna put another patio up here that goes around a new fire pit. And it's gonna go from like here all the way over to where that branch is. It's gonna be 15 feet across and 15 feet this way, with a 3 by 3 foot fire pit in the middle. We're also gonna build a pathway, a steps right here. Here?
Yeah, about there.
Hopefully get it done before your birthday this year. If you like this, or things like this, or if you like us, or if you like yourself, give us a like over there. Give us a follow over there. Or the other way around. I don't know. Leave a comment. I'll respond. We'll respond. If there's something you want to see us make, go ahead, tell us. Maybe we'll make it. We try. Tell your friends. Tell your mom. Tell your pop. We're come back next time. We're Jackson No Trade.
Very good.